Hello teacher and guys, this is the stage 5 video about my personal information and my last name and plans about the future trips. Well, the first is my personal presentation. Um, my name is Angelo Steven Corbeltaran. I am 28 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Funza City, from Cundinamarca. I live with my family. My family is my aunt, my grandmother, and my son. I study electronic engineering in the UNET. My likes, I like the science, I like the technology, I like play musical instruments, I like to read, um, do do things to grow my known about the life. Dislikes, I don't like to dance. I don't like sites with too many people. I don't like listen music like to reggaeton or other urban genres. Well, I'm going to speak about my last name, Madlai Trouble. My last trip was to Guatavita. I went with my son. We visit this city. This city was too beautiful, and there are too many sites, cultural sites. And we buy some gifts to bring to my family. Um, in this city, there was um, one nature. After we go to camping and visit two sites, the meal in these sites is very good. About the plans to trips in the future, I want to visit other towns in Cundinamarca. I want to visit Utica, and this town is the site when was born my family, and I never have been there. But this year I think to go there. Well, this is all about my presentation.